Today's recipe is from my home chef subscription box, Thai-style peanut crusted salmon. Again, today's recipe is from Home Chef subscription box. We're making Thai-style peanut crusted salmon, and I'm just following the instruction that comes on the panel card to let you know what to do and how to do it. And that is pretty much it. I will have the link below on where you can find this recipe if you want to get it yourself or subscribe to Home Chef.
Get with the liquid. Get with the liquid. Lick like lick liquid.